Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Luna daily update. We are going to see the next price targets and of course where are we going in the short term. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription. 200 will be the altcoins that you will receive buying and selling opportunities with an automated system with buying and selling opportunities and of course a manual system with buying and selling opportunities. It will get updated, so join in. You can join in the Buy Me a Coffee / Mind Your Crypto platform. I have the link in the description box and in the comment section. You will also get market updates, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, random giveaways, pine scripts for TradingView and many more benefits. So join in, and of course you can also join our Telegram group chat. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Let's go and proceed quickly into the Luna. And of course here, what do we have? We have Luna outperforming totally Bitcoin, finding the 20-day MA as support level, and eventually we might be getting onto the 46.40 around this area of a resistance level. Okay, in case we go there, we might find a little bit of a resistance, and of course that is because we have a very high risk for now on the 4-hour frame. The MACD looks good, the volume looks good, we are going upwards. You can see that we are getting higher lows and higher highs all the time for Luna. And of course, that's what we want. And we found huge buying pressure on the 20-day MA. That was a very good stuff right there. Let's go to the Luna USDT on the 4-hour frame. And you can see the risk that we hold for Luna. We are in an overbought situation, but the stochastic currency is not in an overbought situation. That's how we can grow even higher. Okay, for the time being that we are outperforming Bitcoin, yes, we can grow even higher. Fisher transform right here is not in an overbought situation as well, so everything looks good that we can go to the target we mentioned back, and we will see in the price analysis section more targets for Luna. Okay, so let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, let's see, we had a buying opportunity. Yes, buying opportunity with the SSL hybrid, not a selling opportunity yet, and we want to see whether we can go even higher from the time being or not. Okay, on the daily frame you can see we had a bullish cross between the blue line and our signal line, the Fisher transform, you can see here, and that's why we got bullish in the daily as well. Great buying opportunity that right there for Luna, and of course everything is looking good on the daily frame. We do not hold an overbought except the commodity channel index that it is going now, and the stochastic side that it is already in an overbought, but we can grow furthermore. Okay, so let's go to Luna Bitcoin chart. Here you can see that we found the 50-day MA as a support level. 20-day MA crosses the 50-day MA, we are going upwards. It looks good. Okay, but at this moment we have also a very high risk, but I am seeing the pattern. Okay, the pattern here says that we are very good. We are pretty good for Luna Bitcoin chart. Can we go into the previous all-time high for Luna Bitcoin chart? It is very hard. Okay, it is realistically very hard to approach the previous all-time high for the time being, but we have a nice progress right there on the daily as well. You can see that all the risk metrics though are in an overbought, and you should be careful in for the short term, that is. Let's go to Luna Bitcoin chart on the daily. You can see that here we had a little bit of a nice overbought situation right there. You can see that 20-day MA crosses down and then crosses up again, might cross up the 20, the 50-day MA. I didn't expect that so soon to have a nice recross between the 20-day MA, but we might be getting that. For the time being, we do not hold any overbought situation. Yes, we can grow potentially even more, and we can outperform Bitcoin even more. Okay, if you want to know some price targets on the daily frame for the Luna Bitcoin chart, let's drop the Fibonacci from this top right here to the bottom, and we have a major resistance sitting at the 0.3073 81 for Luna. All right, so you should be a little bit careful right there. And of course for Luna USDT we are going in right there. Okay, on the 4-hour frame, as we talked about, we have these as the next price target for Luna. In case we just retrace a little bit, now we will have some support levels you can check on. First one is the 43.44. Okay, and the next one is the 43, and we have one at the 42.22. But the most probable scenario right there is that we can go to the 46.42, even though we have a very high risk though, and that's why I provide the support levels. Okay, I provide the support levels because we have a very high risk, and you should know some important support levels. So let's have them again: 42, 43 and 44 Tether USD. In case we drop down, do not worry. Okay, these are re-entry price targets in case we just correct, but the next short-term price target is the 46.14, which we might correct there. Okay, it is very possible that we correct on the 46.4 for the Luna. All right, so therefore, what is the midterm target? Can you invest right now for the midterm? Yes, I think you can. The midterm is the 53 Tether USD for Luna. We have one more at the 55, and of course we have one at the 58. Okay, so yes, we have some nice targets for Luna right there. On the midterm, I can have another fib drawn from this bottom to this top, and you can see that we have the 53 around there, the 55, and so on and so on. Some other resistance levels, but focus on these more. Okay, on the midterm, that is. As for Bitcoin, let's see a little bit how Bitcoin will be doing. If we find rejection in the 20-day EMA right here on the 4-hour frame, then we might get further down. Okay, so you should be a little bit careful because the correction might have not ended. You can see here on the daily frame we had a nice big bearish engulfing candlestick right there, -6%, a very healthy correction. Okay, it's a very healthy correction, no doubt about that. But if we found rejection right there, we might be getting down. That's why Luna might correct a little bit earlier than the 46.4 or around there. So always have it in your mind that the resistance level for Luna is this area right here. We are right now, okay, 45 and 46. From there we might be correcting a little bit, or we might get into the lower support levels we mentioned and then go up all the way. But I am expecting the midterm for Luna to be very bullish and to get into these targets. And if you want to find more targets and know when to buy and when to sell for 200 altcoins, then you can join our monthly subscription. Okay, so we are waiting you. Of course, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.